1 hour later, 2 hours later. After all this time, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that the dog doesn't want to bite him. He doesn't want to bite him. He just wants a... He just wants a friend. He just wants a friend. Scaredy Squirrel points to his name tag and smiles. Then he starts chasing his new buddy. They play hide and seek. They play dead. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the goldfish. Not to mention the walruses, the bunnies, the piranhas, and the Godzillas. Time flies when you're having fun. All of this excitement inspires Scaredy Squirrel to make a few minor changes to his ideal of a friend. The almost perfect friend. Muddy paws, loud bark, drool, germs, tooth, wet doggy smell. And 83% safe, but lots of fun. P.S. As for the wet dog smell, it's been taken care of. And what did he use? The air freshener, right? So funny. Love it. All right, friends. So, we are going to do an activity, but before we do, I want you to describe what a good friend is. Turn and talk and teach. Ready? Teach. What is a good friend to you? What makes a good friend?
A good friend is being nice to a friend, and it's being nice to a person, and your friend was maybe the king
Being nice is a good friend? What about when you have something? What should you do? You don't know? Is it nice to share? Yes. Why don't you talk? What else would you say about being a good friend? Teach him how. Teach him. What makes a good friend?
So nice to be good.
It's okay. She'll not be tonight, okay?
Your turn. Now, say you.
All right, class. Turn back. I hear some wonderful conversations about what makes a great friend, and I'm so proud of you. We have talked a lot this week and since school began about being a nice friend, What makes a nice friend? Ashlyn, what makes a nice friend? How do you show someone that you want to be their friend? That one might be better. How do you show someone you want to be their friend? Do you wear a name tag and get lemonade ready like Scaredy Squirrel? What do you do, Addison, to show someone you want to be their friend?
We share and we do stuff for them.
Very good. You share and you do something for them. Like Ever right now is tying Everardo's shoe. And she's always a nice friend to Everardo. She's always taking good care of him. What else do nice friends do, Ryan? I saw your email over there.
You share.
You share. Very good. And if you have a toy that somebody wants to play with, it's a nice thing to do is to share your toys. Christopher, can you sit down? Because I'm going to tell you about our activity. Our activity today at our seats to go with this is that you have to decide who is being a good friend and who is not being a good friend, Addison. You have to put an X over pictures that show what friends don't do. What friends don't do. So we've talked a lot about what good friends do. But there's some pictures that show what friends don't do. Who can tell me something that friends don't do? Sean.
Don't push anybody.
They don't push anybody. Very good. What else do friends don't do?
Don't fight.
They don't fight. Good. What else do friends not do, KK?
Don't really like them and it'll hurt really bad.
It would hurt really bad. What else do good friends... What do friends not do, Christian Norris?
No hitting people, no biting people, no hitting.
Very good.
No
hitting
kicking
and no
people.
biting. You need to treat other people the way you want to be treated because you wouldn't want anybody to hit or bite you. Let's look up here. If you write your name but don't get it complete the assignment, you get a check. If you attempt to circle the situations, but you circle some bad situations that don't make a good friend, then it's a check. In order to get a smiley, you have to correctly circle all the good situations of friends being kind, X all the situations of friends being unkind, and then you also have to have your name and the date on it. To go above and beyond, to get a sticker or a Steve, which everybody wants to be
Standing.
Yes, outstanding. You have to do both the front and the back. I have a challenge for you on the back. On the back, you have to draw your perfect friend, and I want you to try to write about it. Do you got it? Get it good?
I get it good.
Good. What's the first thing you're going to do when you get back to your seat? What's the first thing you're going to do when you get back to your seat, Everardo?
You come to the car field.
What are you going to do when you get to your seat, though? What are you going to do with your assignment?
You'll start. Write your paper.
Write your paper. What are you going to write on your paper? What do you always start with?
My friend Eva.
Your friend? What else are you going to put on your paper? What's the first thing that you're going to put on your paper? Addison, help us out. What's step one? Put your name and the date. Let's say it together. Name and the date. What's the next thing you're going to do? You're going to circle what, Diego?
The good people.
Friends making the right choice. What are you going to do with X's, Sean?
Do the bad people.
You're going to X out situations that should not be going, unkind situations. On the back, there's a challenge. What's the challenge on the back? What do you have to do? What do you have to do?
Draw a picture and draw a picture.
To write a...
picture of
Very good. And write a sentence of your perfect friend, right? All right, let's see who's on the Rudy McGrudy, ready to go back. Oh, Terrell's not ready because he's up on his knees. Let's see. I think we'll go table 1 first. Tiptoe back. Should be at a whisper or lower. When you are finished, just put your head down. Table 3. Table 2. It's fine. Be a nice friend. He does it at table 1. What is the date? Well, look at the calendar. Come on, 12:40. Table 4 and 5. Are you getting this? Wait for your fairy treat later. Your name and date. Later. Name and the date, please.
What's the date?
December 4th.
What's that?
Name and date should be on the paper. 12:49. It's okay, just go. You're busy. Name and the date. Oh, that is a good friend, Everardo. Why do you think that's a good friend?
I just fixed it, Miss Carrie.
You're fine.
I fixed it.
After. Yeah, they're reading books. What do? You circle or X?
Circle the
Circle, good job. Everardo, for a good friend, reading books together. They're sharing. And he's going to circle them. A friend is what? A friend is...
Is this good, Miss Carrie?
That is wonderful. 12, 4, 13. 12.
Bad boys are playing.
4, 13. All right. Circle the good friends. Who's a good friend? Oh, they are good friends. Why are they good friends, Colin? Because they're playing and they're sharing. Mia, what are you writing about your friends? What are your good friends is? What is a good friend?
I did the right thing. Share? No.
Your good friend walks together. Very good. Awesome job. Are you going to challenge yourself? What is a good friend? Challenge yourself. What is a good friend, Christian?
Playing together.
Good job. 2 friends playing together. Addison, what is a good friend to you?
They're playing.
You and Mia? Mia is playing, my friend. Very good. What is a good friend? A good friend is what? Mia? Mia's a good friend? Nice. Mia is a good friend. Can you raise your hand? Everybody raise your hand. do, Terrell, if you need a pencil, buddy? No, sit down. What do you do if you need a pencil? No? No. What do you do if you need a pencil? We use hand signals, remember? What's your hand signal for pencil? Show us. Very good. Yeah. How's it going back there, friend table? Here. What is a friend table? Here, this one.
I am on my friend. Favorite friend. Can I put my leg on this? I was picking up my I accidentally took my go out and the said no when I just wrapped it back up.
Yeah, wait. Wait, just wait. What is a friend? Oh, why is that not nice? They're fighting. Very good. They're sharing. Good friends share, don't they? And I think maybe they're taking turns. I like how you checked it off. Are you making sure you did your rubric right? Very good. And what did you say? A good friend is what? Nice to each other. Oh, that's very nice. Good job, Addison. All right, a couple more minutes and then we're going to get together with a friend on the carpet and tell them about what we wrote about and which ones we thought were good situations and which ones were bad. What is what? What is a friend? What is a friend to you, David? Don't forget to use some writing with words. Does Miss Mary spell for you, or what do we have to do?
Sound it out.
Sound it out. You got to sound it out. You got to stretch it out. Stretch it out. Good job, Colin. Colin, you are a nice friend. A good friend is nice. What do nice friends do? Good job. Two friends playing. Good job. Okay, what did you say good friends do? What says happy? Very good.
I'm ready. Ella and Lucy, okay? Okay, Lucy. The rest of Lucy, okay?
Class? Give me your laser beams over here on me. Freeze. Look, listen. Sean, I need your eyes over here, please. I need your eyes over here. If you are finished at this time, put your materials away. Tiptoe to the carpet and share with your friends. Share with your friends. Which were good situations, which were not nice situations. Hey, what? Be on the carpet. Share with a friend. Share with a friend. Share with a friend. Find a friend on the carpet. Everardo, Sean, you guys can share it here. Go to someone on the carpet.
I thought that was nice because he's grabbing both of those toys.
Sean, come back over here, please. Those friends are sharing. Let's share with Mia.
And you did get my Lily. It says Lily's my best friend. Ow!
Oh, girls, which situations were good? Are you sharing? Are you being a teacher? Which situations were good? Sit down, please. Need any like we should. All right, tell her which ones you thought were good.
I know you will. No, let me go.
share your situations. You like the situations you think were good and which ones were not. Tell everybody. This guy's one. Which one? Why did you circle this one? Tell me. Tell me why you circled that. Girls, I'll take this. We just have a seat. How was that one good? Good job, boys. And what did you say on the back? What was the next one?
I read it here. And I read it here. Don't forget to say it, okay? I read it here.